afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Migranov, Ilnar. I am from 11th A grade. Do you know why I'm here today? No? Okay. We're having such a nice show today, and it's an excellent chance for me as well to speak about things which somehow worry me. Today, my topic is stereotypical thinking, stereotypes in particular. Do you know what it means? No? Okay, don't worry if you don't know. I'll explain you everything about this. Just give me 3 minutes. Stereotypical thinking means that a person thinks standardly. He is narrow-minded. He is in a certain framework. Let me explain how stereotypical thinking works. For this, everybody imagine that you are somewhere in a crowd. Okay? And now, assess people you meet. Assess. For example, you meet a person like a bandit or a just ordinary worker. Okay? Now tell me, what stereotypical adjectives can occur to your mind when you see those people? What stereotypes have been formed in your head? For example, when you see this man, describe this man, faster.
Confident.
Good. Rude. Bad. Rude, yes. Okay. Now my variant of stereotypes formed in my head. I think that he's dangerous, brutal, and criminal, yes? Everything you've just said is a result of stereotypical thinking. Is your fast and stereotypical conclusions. Because in reality, this man is completely opposite to this description. Because look, he is worldwide famous painter, Alexander Hoffman. So let's describe this man by the same way. How? Clever, so, and shy, yes. Not bad. Okay. Now my variant of stereotypes. I think that he is ordinary worker, G, and common man. Common man means that he is simplicity. Yes. Yeah. You know, you lock yourself on a case of stereotypes. Thereby, you lose the opportunity to have many wonderful people in your life because of your stereotypes about their appearance, profession, age, and other parameters in your head. Now, I have one trick which proves that we shouldn't always believe our stereotypes, that we shouldn't believe our eyes. Look, at this picture, of course, all of us see that we see beautiful and smiling Angelina Jolie, but in reality, look, oh my God. Like we see our stereotypes about different countries. For example, Russia. What stereotypes have you about Russia?
Yeah.
Yes. Balalaika, yes. Putin, Vladimir. And of course, our lyceum, LBL, yes. Okay, USA. What stereotypes about USA? Obama, yes. Okay. Basketball, yes. Bush. Good. So we're coming to the end. And there is only one conclusion. Guys, question to all of you. Do you want to achieve an enormous success in your life? Do you want?
Yes.
I don't hear.
Yes.
Then get rid of stereotypical thinking as soon as possible and live in the reality. You know, remember, the choice is yours, man. Thank you for attention.
Thank you.